Alright, so work on the upstairs bathroom here. The way this shower was put in there just like that with a big hole there. Surprised people didn't fall through it when they were showering. I did have this little piece like that, but still, when you would stand in this shower, it's plastic. It's fiberglass or plastic. It might be an ABS one, but it feels like you would sink. So, anyways, I gotta fix the wood here, and the way I'm fixing it is this wood was here, and you can see I cut it off with my skill saw. What you want to do is you want to adjust your skill saw blade so it only goes through this wood here and not any further. You can see I didn't really go maybe a millimeter or so into this beam here. And yeah, you're gonna cut these out. Cut this one out over here. These are tongue and groove. Pull that one out, and I'll take out the nails, and I'll chisel out the rest of the little woods here, and then I'll get some 1x6s, and I'll cut them out and I'll run them across. My pipe will be somewhere around here. Okay, yeah, to fix that, just run some 1x6 across. You can see I cut about halfway through this stud. It's pretty wide stud. I think those are 2 inches wide. And yeah, I'll be able to fix it, and then wherever the pipe comes up, I'll just cut around that pipe. And you can tell it's an old home. Look at the nails. I just pulled this one out. When you see nails like this, very old home. And there we have it. The 3 pieces of wood cut out, and they fit in there snug. Left a little bit of a gap just in case these expand and contract with the weather. And got the flange installed on that one. Okay. Only thing I gotta do now is sand down the backs of these on the edge just a hair, because they do stick up just a little bit more than these older boards. I mean, we're talking about like a couple millimeters. So I'll go use my angle grinder to do that. And then that's it. This thing is ready for some plywood now.